Whether you have a crammed schedule full of Zoom sessions or want to stream on Twitch or even YouTube, a quality webcam is just as important as having a quality mic. When you're connecting with people on video calls or even with an audience while streaming games, presenting a clear picture of yourself is vital to making a strong connection. The dedicated hardware of a standalone webcam can offer a clear picture with minimal latency, and some even go above and beyond by delivering 60 FPS with 4K streaming quality. Welcome to another video of Disrupt Tech. Where today, we're going to list the top 10 webcams for 2021 to set up your streaming and video sessions. But before we get into that, make sure that you drop us a like on this video, subscribe to our channel, as well as hitting that post notification bell so you never miss another update from us. We've also made videos on the top 10 best mouse, keyboard, and headsets, so be sure to check those out when you got time. Number 10. Anker FHD. At number 10 on our list, the Anker FHD webcam is a budget webcam for live streaming and video recording in general. It's an underrated device that is capable of surprisingly great results. This 1080p webcam provides full HD video quality, and the fixed focus features can capture the object or even your face at a 5-meter distance. It's easy to set up and doesn't require any additional software. Moreover, it has a stereo sound, so it provides high quality sound as well. It can be purchased for around $25.50. Number 9. Diricam Full HD. Sitting at number 9 on our list is the Diricam Full HD live streaming webcam. It's an impressive option on this list, as the device is made for live streaming in high quality with 75-degree wide angle that makes it an excellent option for Zoom sessions, meeting calls, podcasting, and even streaming. Needless to say, this webcam is very easy to set up and use, and has built-in noise reduction features. You can grab this guy for around $40. Number 8. Onzano Pro Stream. The number 8 spot on our list goes to the Onzano Pro Stream webcam, which has the latest H.264 hardware encoding compression, so that way you'll be able to get high-quality HD videos. You won't need any additional software, and this webcam has facial enhancement technology that optimizes the image automatically. Moreover, if you're going to stream with this webcam, it's got a background replacement that can integrate your live image on any background. This inexpensive webcam is available for $23. Number 7. ProHD 1080p webcam. Coming in at number 7 on the list is a webcam which is a great choice if you've ever been searching for the most decent option that will not only give you flawless image resolution for both video calls and streaming, but will also be capable of giving you video recording abilities. It also allows you to have video sessions in HD with a great image quality. This video camera has a quality of 1080p and 1690 HD. Furthermore, it also comes with a quality built-in microphone and can be picked up for around $60. Number 6. Speedo Full HD. At number 6, we have the Speedo Full HD webcam, a perfect choice when you're looking for a webcam for live streaming either on Twitch or YouTube. The webcam has a full HD 7-layer lens with a 100-degree wide angle, providing a wide field of view. This streaming webcam has the beauty effect of making your face look more natural and vibrant, and it even has a manual focus so that you can adjust it by yourself. Lastly, it also has a background replacement feature, which is essential in making your videos even more engaging. The Speedo Full HD webcam can be bought for $34. Number 5. Razer Key. The 5th spot on our list goes to the Razer Key. This webcam has an adjustable ring light which allows you to eliminate all the shadows around you and focus on your face while giving a natural and glowy look, a feature which is lacking in a lot of webcams. It also comes with an autofocus feature, so that way it can lock onto your face quickly. The Razer Key is one of the best webcams for makeup bloggers, and the ring light and HD quality will help to make your videos stand out from others. It's easy to use, not very large, and is compatible. The Razer Key comes with a price tag of $85.35. Number 4. Logitech C930E. Making it to the 4th spot on this list, the Logitech C930E is ideal for professional level video conferencing as well as streaming. Thanks to its stunning 1080p resolution and wide 90-degree field of view, this lets you record everything in the room, as well as coming with some built-in video encoding. What this essentially means is that you're going to be able to get excellent image quality, which doesn't put the strain on your PC, which would usually be handled by the encoding duties. It's also Skype certified for both PC and Mac, so if you need to deal with Zoom sessions and video conferences, the Logitech C930 will surely help you appear more professional. You can grab this guy for around $78. Number 3. Logitech Brio. At number 3, we have the Logitech Brio. Its high resolution bumps up the detail to a much greater level than any standard 1080p. Besides, its 90-degree field of view can easily capture the entire room. It's got perfect white balance and saturation levels, as well as its low light performance. Alongside its main color, the sensor is infrared, making the Brio fully compatible with Windows Hello, Microsoft's facial sign-in feature, and, in addition to its astounding capturing resolution, the Brio is also the only webcam which supports HDR capturing. This means that viewers who have an HDR-compatible screen will be able to enjoy richer, more vivid colors. It sits on the pricier side though, being upwards of $230. Number 2. The Logitech Stream Cam. The Logitech Stream Cam cracks in at the second position, as it's just about the only webcam on the market which will allow you to record both at 1080p and 60 FPS. The Stream Cam itself also features a fancy built-in omnidirectional microphone, complete with a small noise filter. It connects with a USB-C for fast and reliable connection. The smart autofocus, exposure, and AI-enabled facial tracking in the Logitech will capture and deliver accurate focus and exposure no matter where you're positioned. The price of this fantastic webcam is $162. Lastly, number 1. The Logitech C922X Pro Stream. Sitting atop the list is the most popular webcam among streamers, and that is the Logitech C922X Pro Stream. This is the best overall webcam for streaming and vlogging on popular social media platforms like YouTube, Twitch, or Facebook. The webcam is enabled in Full HD with 1080p at 30 FPS and 720p at 60 FPS. The Logitech C922X Pro Stream webcam can adjust to various lighting conditions as it has a light correction function. You'll look natural and visible in all types of lighting. This built-in microphone can even record the sound from any direction, so that way you'll be able to create high-quality videos for your YouTube channel or game streaming. This brilliant webcam can be found for $90. So, what do you think about the top 10 webcams for 2021? Do you think we have a pretty good webcam selection here, or is there any others that we may have missed on our list which you think would be a better option? Let us know in the comment section down below, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel, like this video, as well as hit the post notification bell so you never miss another update from us. Until next time guys, we'll see you later.